topmost room, overlooking. So we're gonna look for our here. This is our entrance going to our hotel room. So it's already here.
Okay, let's see how this works.
Right. Oh, it's so dark. This is our, okay. We need the light first. Here. So this is our home for a few days. Wow. It's very spacious. Wow. We have the balcony, top view overlooking. Wow.
I gotta go.
I never opened the light yet. Very spacious. Sorry. This is dressing. I forgot. Oh, a safety bag. Wow, it's huge. Safety box. Overlooking in our balcony, stunning place, beautiful. Lots are coming. You're happy?
Yeah,
Of course.
Nice.
Thank you for the birthday gift.
Got a nice bathroom.
Oh my god, I never been there yet. Super stunning. So beautiful place. I will go to the bathroom. Very spacious. Bathtub.
All right, so we know where it is now.
Mm-hmm.
We got our room. We're all set. Breakfast and decaf.
How beautiful is the lightings. It's a huge room, very spacious. The most I like is the porch because it's really overlooking. We are in the top view. See, that's what I like if we book earlier. Because,
I know, see, that's what I said. So it's a good idea to book early because we get
the
good
price is
room.
beautiful.
Got a good price.
Yeah.
Got, did you see the bathroom?
Oh yeah, it's so stunning.
Nice.
Yeah, in case if you like coffee. our key cards.